In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the name of your AirDrop on iOS 17. AirDrop is a feature on Apple devices that allows you to wirelessly share files with people nearby. Changing the name of your AirDrop can help you personalize and identify your device more easily when sharing files with others. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap About. And then tap where it says Name. And then tap on the X icon to remove the current name. What you want to do next is enter the name that you would like to use. Once you've done that, tap on the Done button at the bottom right corner of the screen to save it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.